Building a website for your air conditioning repair service doesn't have to be complicated and it doesn't have to be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MartySites platform to build a simple website for your air conditioning repair service. If you haven't heard of MartySites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's go ahead and search for our market, air conditioning repair service. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's tell MartySites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the MartySites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, MartySites will do all the hard work and generate a simple website for your business and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close it off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of MartySites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Make sure it's a little bit more suited to your business, more personalized. You want to make 1 or 2 amendments. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address. I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers to see. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone numbers, click to call. Physical location, maybe you are mobile, but if you have a physical location, pop it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Under update social links, we've got those various social media platforms your business is active on. Pop the links in over there and the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a logo for your business, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make the logo bigger and smaller and resize it. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your website, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palettes. You don't need to know any color coding whatsoever. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your business, all you need to do is click on that update section button directly underneath it. Click on update image. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through their photo library. There's hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos from your profile if you have one. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on them, and where they're linked, you can even upload a PDF file. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to that PDF file. In the last section at the bottom, you can put in your updates, your hours for your business, your trading hours, opening hours that you operate your business, maybe your 24 hours. Go ahead and put them in over here. Once you click on save, the page will automatically reload after saving and display your opening hours for your business in that section. Domains are really easy as well. If you want to connect your custom domain, go ahead and click on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the MartySites platform as well. It's super convenient. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the MartySites platform for your air conditioning repair business. And I'm really wishing you and your business, Marty, success.